Hi, thanks for joining us. Tonight we're going to be baking trout. So the first thing we need to do is preset our oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we'll gather our ingredients. You'll see on the counter that I have olive oil, salt, pepper, lemon slices, and our main ingredient is sustainably raised trout. Now that we have all our ingredients gathered, we're ready to start. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put our trout fillets skin side down in a shallow baking dish. Next, we're going to add some olive oil. So you can either drizzle the olive oil onto the top of the fillet or you can brush it on. I prefer to brush it on. I feel like it gives it a nice, even coating. Sprinkle with salt. And pepper. You can add salt and pepper to taste. Now we're ready for lemons. So place 3 to 4 lemons on each fillet. And that's all there is to it. It's ready to bake. Slow-baked trout is going to take about 15 to 20 minutes to bake. It all depends on the size of your fillets. You'll know when it's ready when the fillets are opaque in color and the muscle segments will start to tease apart with a fork. Tonight, we're going to serve ours with black rice and steamed broccoli. Happy cooking! See you soon.